So now let's see how we can work around with layer styles inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to work around with that, first of all, let us go around onto the color section, select white, because I'm going to go around and select out a shape and then draw around a background right here. So this is the first shape that I have right here. Now I'm going to go around and select another shape right here. So I'm going to go around onto the drop down menu so that I have access to many different shapes right here. You can also go around and select out different shapes over from the list right here, as you can see. So let me just go around and go to animals right here, and let's bring in this butterfly. So I'm just going to go around, click and drag out this butterfly. This butterfly is also white, so I'm going to go around onto the color for this. So let me just go around and double click, select out the color that I want to be applied to the butterfly and press OK. So now, right now you can see that the shape that we inserted right here is quite plain. And if you want to add in some styles to it, then you can go around and add in something called layer styles. So here, if I were to right click, you can see that I get the regular options, but to access the layer styles, you need to go around over here onto the option itself over here. So I'm just going to go around onto layer, and here you can see layer style is an option, and you can go to the style settings. So once you do that, you can enable or disable the preview, which I'm going to enable, and click on drop shadow, and a bit of shadow is added in, as you can see. So I can go around, increase the size of the shadow right here just like this, and I can go around and increase out the distance as well, and you can see that the distance of the shadow changes. You can work around with the opacity, so you can really increase out the opacity of the shadow or decrease out the opacity of the shadow right here, and work around with the angle as well. Here you can see that you also have an option to change around the color of the shadow right here according to how you want. So you can go around, make it a bit dark blue and so forth, as you can see. You can add in a glow to it right here. You can add in a bit of inner glow and increase around the size right here. So you can see that there's a bit of glow over here as well. You can work around with the opacity of the glow as well. So once you do that, you can also go around and add in outer glow just like this. So this is what you have. I'm going to press OK. And outer glow is not seen because the shape itself is white right here. So I'm just going to go around, select black, and you can see the outer glow over here as well. So let me just go around, keep it white itself, and select out the shape right here. And I'm going to go around onto layer, and I'm going to go to layer style right here, and I'm going to go to style settings, and this is what you have. You can add in bevel to make it more 3D. You can increase and decrease out the size, as you can see, just like this, and you can change around the direction to up or down, and you can also go around and add in a stroke, as you can see right over here. So this is what you have right here. You can go around over here, select out different strokes, as you can see, just like this, and this is what you have. So once this is done, you can work around with the opacity, and you can also choose the position. So right now this butterfly is the stroke is outside. You can keep it inside right here, or you can also go around and keep it at the center right here. Let me just go around and keep it inside right here and press OK. And this is what you have. As you can see, this is the layer style. And the thing with layer styles is that you can copy and paste it onto another shape as well. So if I were to go around right here and click and drag around, you can see that the same layer style is applied onto this one as well. And you can go around onto the layer right here, onto layer style, and you can go to style settings. So once you go around, you can change around the settings according to how you want. So let me just go around right here, and this is what you have. So let me just go around right here onto, let's say, different styles for this one. The size for this one right here will change and so forth. So you can see that I have different styles applied to it. I made some modification. So I can go around over here onto layer style, and copy out the layer style right here. And then I can paste it out over here onto another layer as well. So I can go around and I can apply the layer style to this one as well. So shape 2 is selected. So I'm going to go to layer, and I'm going to go around onto layer style and then paste the layer style, and you can see that that layer style is now pasted onto the other shape as well. And that is how you can work around with the layer styles inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.